Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need elevated rights immediately. Open Start, type CMD, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, approve it with an admin account. This gives the shell permission to change protected files. Once inside, navigate to the problem folder and run dir to see items. Then run iCackles on the target file or folder to reveal current permissions and owner. This first step establishes whether the issue is missing elevation versus file-level restrictions, so you know which fix to apply next. Now change ownership and grant right so commands succeed. Use takeown/f path/r to become owner of files and folders, then run iCackles path/grant your user, F to grant full control, replace your user with your account name. Make sure recursive flags apply to nested content when needed. If the account isn't in the administrators group, add it using netlocal group administrators your user/add or through computer management. This ensures future elevation actually provides privileges. Once done, rerun the original command to verify success. Complete the process by signing out or rebooting so group membership and ACL changes fully apply. Some permissions require a new logon. If denial persists, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system components that could block access. Also inspect antivirus quarantines and open file locks with Resource Monitor or sysinternals handle. Processes holding a file can cause denials. If nothing works, return to ownership and ACLs, and double-check you use the correct account name.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.